Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Discord username on mobile with the latest update in mind. Whether you want to refresh your online identity or just fix a typo, changing your username on Discord is quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile picture. This will take you directly to your user settings where you can customize your account details. Next, scroll down a bit and tap on Account. This is where all your personal information lives, including your username, email, and phone number. Here, you'll see your current username displayed prominently. Tap on Username to begin the change process. Now, enter the new username you want. Keep in mind that your username must be unique, and it can include letters, numbers, and underscores. Discord also requires you to enter your current password to confirm the change. This extra step ensures your account stays secure and prevents unauthorized changes. After typing your new username and confirming with your password, tap Save or Done, depending on your device. If the username you chose is available and meets Discord's guidelines, your change will be applied immediately. You'll see your new username reflected across the app, and your friends will recognize you by your fresh new identity. Remember, you can only change your username twice per hour, so if you're not happy with your choice, you'll need to wait a bit before trying again. Also, keep in mind that your Discord tag, the 4-digit number after your username, stays the same unless you have Discord Nitro, which allows you to customize that as well. And that's it. Changing your Discord username on mobile is straightforward and secure. Now you can personalize your profile anytime, anywhere, with just a few taps. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.